Hello viewer. Welcome to HKR Trainings YouTube channel. In today's class, we are here to discuss what is Salesforce. Earlier, organizations have manually handled large volumes of data, making it difficult for users. There was a need of a customer relationship management platform that helps manage all the activities within the organization. Salesforce is one such platform that has been helping organizations, making them more popular and versatile. It is a cloud-based service, developed by the Salesforce company, that is suitable for small and large-scale businesses. It helps in collaborating with the teams and establishing connectivity and productivity. Before we get deeper into Salesforce, let's look at the agenda for today. In this video, we will learn what is Salesforce. Why Salesforce? How does Salesforce work? Cloud services offered by Salesforce. Careers in Salesforce. This video gives you an idea about Salesforce and its importance in the current market. But, before we proceed to discuss more about Salesforce, remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud-based software company that provides the tools that help determine the deals, prospects, and high-level customer service and provides CRM services. Salesforce allows organizations to use cloud technology to connect with customers, partners, and potential customers. It also enables organizations to track customer-related activities. Salesforce can also show the data in the dashboards in visualized formats, which helps the users to understand easily. It is a software as a service that uses the multi-tenant architecture. It offers multiple benefits and helps in the growth and development of the organization. What is Salesforce used for? Salesforce provides an ecosystem that allows it to host a large number of cloud platforms, and interacts with different sets of data, and serves customers in different capacities. It also serves as a platform that helps understand the customers better by providing a 360-degree view of the customer lifecycle. It helps streamline the workflows and also maintains centralized data management. It helps in managing sales opportunities by providing a space to store all the data related to customers and sales. It also provides extensive support in increasing the revenue of the organization. How does Salesforce work? Salesforce is a centralized CRM platform for managing accounts, leads, customer support cases, activities, and many more. The users can access Salesforce through multiple modes like mobile or desktop applications or a web browser. Salesforce also offers users an option to customize the fields, processes, objects, and reports and integrate them with other software products. Salesforce is also capable of providing artificial intelligence and marketing automation capabilities. Cloud services offered by Salesforce. Let us get a bit deeper into the cloud services that Salesforce offers. There are many services offered by Salesforce. They are Salesforce Sales Cloud, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, Salesforce Community Cloud, Salesforce Commerce Cloud, Salesforce Analytics Cloud, Salesforce Service Cloud, Salesforce Sales Cloud. The Salesforce Sales Cloud is a CRM platform that helps to manage the marketing, sales, and customer support facets. If the organization is into B2B and B2C, then the Sales Cloud will be a good choice to serve the needs of the sales team. Salesforce Marketing Cloud. The Marketing Cloud is one of the most powerful platforms for digital marketing, allowing one to keep an eye on and manage the web, email, content, journey, and data analytics. Salesforce Community Cloud. If your organization requires a social media platform to establish connection and communication among the partners, customers, and employees, then the Salesforce Community Cloud is the service that is required. It also allows the exchanging of images and data on a real-time basis. Salesforce Commerce Cloud. The Salesforce Commerce Cloud provides a seamless customer service experience, irrespective of the customer's location. It provides consumers with a better experience, as this cloud offers customer data integration. The Commerce Cloud is the right choice if you want to provide a positive customer experience. Salesforce Analytics Cloud. The Salesforce Analytics Cloud is responsible for providing a business intelligence platform that helps in representing the data in the form of charts, graphs, files, etc. Salesforce Service Cloud. The Salesforce Service Cloud is a platform used for the support and service of customers. It includes multiple features like social networking and case tracking. Careers in Salesforce. There are many opportunities available for aspirants looking to pursue their careers in Salesforce. The salaries offered to the Salesforce aspirants and experts are high, due to its intense demand and scope in the future. The salaries offered to a Salesforce expert range from 12 to 17 lakhs per annum, with an average salary value of 14 to 15 lakhs per annum. You have now got a clear picture of what is Salesforce. If you are looking for a brighter career, then Salesforce is one of the best platforms. Give us a thumbs up, and do share this video with your friends. If you are watching the videos for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to our HKR Trainings YouTube channel. To receive notifications about the upcoming videos, hit the bell icon. For the latest updates and blogs, follow us on our social media platforms. If you are interested to learn Salesforce and prosper your career, please visit www.hkrtrainings.com.